Friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we'll see how to print a web view using the installed printer or otherwise the PDF, which is anyway by system is provided from your Android app. So let's begin. Let's get a new app saying that print the web view. You can name this app anything. So things I leave it as it is and click on finish for the environment to load. It will take a while to load the complete environment. Once the environment is loaded, I'll also start the things in like my emulator. And first and foremost, I'll define the access to internet, which is required to load anything in the web view. That's all, I guess. I can minimize this. Then I'll go to the layout part. The layout part, I don't think I need this text view, so I'll do one thing. I'll just remove it, and I'll add a button. And this button will be basically okay. So the layout, this emulator has come, but I'll just minimize it for the time being. And in the emulator, in the layout, I'll say print just print, and I'll give some constraints to this button, and then I'll add the web view, which is basically help me to load something, load particular URL or something. So I'll just do one thing, yeah, and I'll give some ID here. So I think all done from the layout part. Okay, quickly I create a button on click method, so which is public void button print, and then I'll associate it with the on click attribute of the button. I'll go back to the layout in the button on click attribute. I'll set it perfect. Coming back to Java code, I'll create the web view and associate it with the web view what we just now created. And in this web view, what I'll do is I'll load some URL. So to load the URL, I can do one thing. I can load my website itself, programmerworld.com. Yeah. So once that is done, then in this button service, button print service, I'll create something called print manager first, and this will get system service. Print service is what I need. It may ask me to typecast, do the casting of course, and then based on this print manager, I can call something called as print document adapter. Yeah. And this one I can print on the web view by using the print document adapter, and here I have to give some kind of document name. So the document name could be PDF or print one. I'll just give one simple file name, print one. Okay, and then I can use this adapter in my print manager. So print manager dot print, and the first is the job ID. So job name you can give it anything. So second print test one, and then the second argument will be the adapter which we just now created above, and the third argument will be attributes. So attributes like you can create a print attributes dot builder dot. Okay, we should have, I forgot to put a new part because we are creating the attributes here, right? Yeah, perfect. So this is a sample attributes what we have created. So that's all, I guess. I'll just rerun my code and let's see how it comes up. So perfect. My program is loaded and this is my website. It's there. Now if I call print, and it's giving me an option. So of all the yeah, here is a preview of my first page. Perfect. And over here I'm getting the option of either to save as PDF or all printers. Basically, it will list on all the installed printers or added printers on your phone. If otherwise, you can go to this button and you'll see it will also set if there is any other printer which you can add on the go. Anyway, this screen is managed by Android operating system and not by my apps code. Anyway, coming back here, so if you want to save, just click on this save button and it will print the PDF and is asking for the file name to print. So by default, it's taken print one, that is from here. If you want, you can change it also. So say for example, if you want to add something, print one underscore text and click on save. Perfect. So file was saved. I think I saw it. So let me do one thing. Let me go to the downloads folder. Okay, so yeah, over here this file got saved just now. So yeah, and you can see the complete my using full screen to exit. Okay, got it. Yeah, so anyway, the PDF version of my website has come up. So whatever was there in the review, it got printed. So that's all I wanted to show you the steps for printing the uh, review part using the print command and by calling the print command on the print manager. So that's all. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions or suggestion, then please put in the comment section below. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.